this one? Excellent. Here, let me put that back on for you. Look, you did a great ear. That ear fell off. That ear fell off. There's one Jenny ear. Okay, should we do the other one? There! Those actually look much better. But her nose needs to be longer, I think. There we go. Good job. There's, whoops. She's got too much snow there. Whoops.
Can you wave hi?
Molly, can you wave hi to Daddy? Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Come on.
This is Jenny. This is Jenny. And the real Jenny is running around. Jenny.
Come on, Jenny.
Jenny. She's way up there.
The real Jenny is way up there.